Right now, Bitcoin is creating a head and shoulders pattern, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this important pattern that you need to be paying attention towards. I will be also discuss the most important charts in crypto and Bitcoin right now here, because right now, Bitcoin is still trading on a key level of support, and as soon as we do break below it, I will tell you what the consequences are going to be. I will be talking about my trade, I will be talking about the most important charts in crypto in general, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 350 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the imminent short term for Bitcoin, we can currently still see that we're trading in this parallel channel towards the upside, and basically Bitcoin is holding up the support on the lower side. So far, so good. Of course, we're basically consolidating towards the upside, and what I will be looking at is that as soon as we potentially do break below the trend, we could be potentially retest this trend right here. But in my opinion, if you do break below these two trends right here, things are not going to look good for Bitcoin. But still, the most important chart for Bitcoin to look at on the 1 hour time frame is this horizontal support box for Bitcoin that's trading somewhere around 19.8k. You can clearly see in the past it provided significant resistance, and currently it's providing significant support. So as long as we're trading above this level right here, things are looking okay. But as soon as we do break below it, that is the point where we could be expecting that Bitcoin is going to be ranging between the 15.6k and $17,000 once again, because then basically we're re-entering the consolidation range where we've been trading in already since the beginning of November. So yeah, we are going to be having a very significant setback for Bitcoin in general. So right now, I hope to see that we can be holding up towards that 16.8k. But currently, if I look at the price action of Bitcoin, we are seeing some weakness getting generated on the imminent short term. We're seeing somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders getting created. I am currently not shorting this yet so far, because currently we didn't have a breakdown yet so far, or we didn't confirm the breakout, I can better say, because currently we can see an upper sloping support line is getting created, a left shoulder is getting created right here, in the middle we're creating a head, and on the right side we're creating the right shoulder. And how this could be invalidated is that if we do confirm a pushback towards the upside, and let's say we have a pump towards the upside and we break above the previous high right here, that is going to be the confirmation that we basically should be not looking at this pattern anymore. But as long as we do confirm a lower high than this high right here on the market, we break below the upper sloping support line, we could be visiting lower targets for Bitcoin in quite a rapid pace. The price target for this head and shoulders pattern is all the way down on 16.5k. It's not that kind of a significant price target, but still, it could set back Bitcoin on the imminent short term a little bit here. So keep your eyes wide open on this head and shoulders pattern that is currently playing out for Bitcoin. And basically how you could be trading it is that as soon as we do break below the upper sloping support line, you're going to be looking for the retest, and the retest is the point where you will be opening up your shorting position. So furthermore, we can currently see on the 4 hourly time frame, I still want to be pointing this out, even though if we have a break below the important support line on the head and shoulders pattern, as long as we're not officially confirming the 4 hourly candle close below this important support / resistance box right here, I honestly think we're probably going to hold on towards this. We can see that for the past approximately 7 days, we have been holding up towards this level right here as well. Just like in the past, we've been getting rejected by this level. So this is clearly, and I've said this before, even before we broke above it, even before we touched it, this $16,000 to $17,000 range is clearly the most important support / resistance region for Bitcoin right now. And what I want to be seeing here is another strong bounce from this level back towards higher highs for Bitcoin. And of course, if we do confirm a candle close below it, the retest is going to be the point where I will be opening up my shorting position, and that probably will mean that we are going to be visiting that lower range where I have been talking about in the beginning of this video. If I'm looking at my trade, currently I am in a small little loss here right now. I'm in a 2% loss. I'm currently with 1.8x leverage in towards this trade, and my strategy, you probably already know it, but if Bitcoin is going to fall down to $12,000, I will be at 3 times as much margin that I already have entered in this trade, so I can bring down my liquidation price significantly. And this is a trade that I'm trying to be building up as a swing trade, because yeah, I personally think the bottom is way closer than we probably think, and if the market is going to dump, I will be at least try to enter more and more so I can bring down my average entry price. But right now, I'm dollar cost averaging in towards my swing trade position because I've got the conviction that the bottom is clearly closer than everyone basically thinks right now. Of course, I don't care if I'm going to be in an imminent short-term loss. For me, it's all about where I will be standing in 1 or 2 months from now on. Furthermore, if you want to be trading on Bybit, you could do so as well. And if you sign up using the link in the description, you can right now get a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check it out. And if you're from the US, you can check out BitGet, because BitGet, if you right now sign up an account using BitGet, deposit $500, join my VIP Discord server in the link in the description right now. You will be able to get free access towards the VIP Discord server. And on top of that, you can get my free famous Crypto Rover course where you can learn how to trade. And the only way how you can get it is if you deposit $500 after you sign up your BitGet account using the link in the description. So make sure to check it out. All kinds of free stuff that you can claim right now in the description. Furthermore, if I do look at the 12-hour time frame on the Bitcoin price action, we can currently see that the super trend on the 12-hour time frame has flipped bullish for the first time in an approximately 1 month approximately. So this is very good because the last time the super trend flipped bullish, I mean every single time basically the super trend flips bullish on the 12-hour time frame, from off the starting point, we at least see higher highs getting created before we cross bearish again. And historically speaking, it means that Bitcoin is at least going to be seeing an imminent short-term uptrend, right? So we cross bullish on the 12-hour super trend, and I am honestly also expecting that we're going to see at least some of a short-term relief for Bitcoin. At least it's going to be likely, if we're going to be looking at the history, how the 12-hour super trend has been behaving itself in the past. If I am also looking at our important downward sloping resistance line, we can currently see that we're once again have not officially breaking above this level. And we can currently clearly see we're trading against this resistance line right now for Bitcoin. And this is also clearly the level where we need to be breaking above. If we clear this level, we cleared basically a trend line that has been basically providing resistance for an approximately 190 days. And that is going to be crucial for the Bitcoin trend we're currently trading in. So keep your eyes wide open. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be staying up to date. As well, follow me on Twitter, because once we do break above it, you will be the first one to know on this channel if you are subscribed. Because yeah, this is definitely an important level where we need to keep our eyes wide open on for Bitcoin right now. Still on the daily time frame, we can clearly see this resistance box on approximately $18,000 to $19,000. On the daily time frame as well, nothing is happening. People are becoming very bearish out of nowhere, but still, we're in a consolidation phase. Nothing has really happened yet so far. Bitcoin is waiting to create a big move here. And if I'm going to look at the last 7 to 9 days that we have been consolidating right here, we have been basically ranging between an approximately $260. That is absolutely epic. That is very mind-blowing. Bitcoin has been basically doing nothing for the past 7 to 8 days. And I mean, it's preparing itself for a bigger move here. It's getting ready for a bigger move, and once the move happens, whether it's up or down, I mean, on the upside, I want to be seeing a break above $19,000. If it happens, I'm going to be very bullish. Towards the downside, if we break the previous low in the market, we probably can go way lower. So that is the things to look at right now. And of course, on the weekly time frame, guys, I've been saying this for quite a while. The Bitcoin legendary support line, we've been once again bouncing from it. And I will keep my eyes wide open if we are going to be having another retest. I will be trying to enter even more Bitcoin long positions if we're going to be retesting this level. But for me, it actually looks like quite of a decent level where I want to be accumulating more Bitcoin at. So keep your eyes wide open. The Bitcoin is bouncing from the legendary support line. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. Today, we could be potentially seeing head and shoulders on the imminent short-term 1 hour time frame breaking down. So keep your eyes wide open right now on the chart of Bitcoin. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards the amazing new video here on the channel. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.